As we all know, Facebook is a very popular platform where people sell their product, buy product, and also advertise their product. So in today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can post an item or a product that you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's very simple, guys. Just come on your Facebook app and tap on it to open and log in your Facebook account. If it opens, now this very Facebook here is not the Facebook Lite. Now come on this Marketplace icon here and tap on it. And you can see here Marketplace. But if you use Facebook Lite, this icon won't be found here among all these icons here. You can come here on this three line at top right and tap on it, and you will see here Marketplace. Still tap on the Marketplace and it will bring you here again. So on this page here, you can see here Marketplace at the top, and you can see here sell. Let me say you want to sell an item or a product on Facebook Marketplace. So come here and tap on this sell. And you can see here create new listing. So now, what type of product are you selling? Is it vehicle? If it is vehicle, tap on vehicle. If it is properties like chairs, tap on it. But if it's a mobile phone or the likes, tap on these items. So it brings you into this page to fill all the information about the product that you want to sell. Now on the first one here, you can see add photos. So tap on this add photos and go to your phone gallery, or you can tap here on the camera and snap the item that you want to sell. For instance, let me say I want to sell this iPhone here. This is my iPhone here, iPhone 12 Pro. I will select it and come here on next and tap on it. So you can see tap on this add photos and add as many photos as possible. But for now, or for this tutorial, I'll leave only this one. So after that, I'll come here on this title here and type the name of the product that I want to sell. For instance, I'll just come here and type here iPhone 12 Pro. You can see it, right? So after that, I'll come here on this price list here and enter the price I want to sell this iPhone 12 Pro. For instance, I'll come here and enter 520,000. So after that, you can see here next one here category. So I'll tap on this category here and select which category does my product or item for. Since it is a mobile device or electronics, I will scroll down until I see mobile device. You can see here under electronics here, I can see here mobile phones. I'll tap on it so that Facebook will know the right audience to suggest this item I want to sell to. Now after that, I'll come here on this condition here and tap on it and select which condition is my product. Is it new, fairly used, UK use, or anyone? But for me, it's not new. You can see here use like new. I will select this use like new, because now I'm trying to give my potential buyer a description of the item or product I want to sell before they can go about buying it. After that, you can see here description. So at least I will write some information about my product so that my buyers or my potential buyers will know much about it. I'll just come here and paste this. For instance, you can see here, here's my description. Clean iPhone 12 Pro for sale and is in perfect condition. Face ID correct, 128 gig, battery health 83%, price 520,000, and location here is Airport Road, Abuja. Also my contact where they can always contact me. You can see that. So after that, you can come here on this location here. If it is your first time listing an item on Facebook Marketplace, this location here could be something else. You could come here on this edit here and come here and search for your location. Let me see Lagos State. You can come here and enter Lagos and it will appear. Tap on it and it will be changed or updated. But for me, since I'm in Abuja, I will leave it here in Abuja. So you can always review. Now let me say, for instance, if you want this item to be hidden from your Facebook friends, you can come here and toggle this on so that this item that you want to sell, your Facebook friends won't see it. But if you want everyone to see it, you can come here and toggle it back so that both your Facebook friends and everyone can see this item you want to sell. You can go down and review the whole thing. Also, you can also go up and check your information if they are all correct. You can see it, right? So after the whole thing, you can see here publish at the top right corner. Tap on publish, and after some time we get bring like a sound that it has been published. You can see here publishing, it's still publishing. You can hear a sound bring, so it has been published, and you can see here active. I can tap here and see my information, and you can see that this item, this iPhone 12 Pro, have been published on Facebook Marketplace, and potential buyers or Facebook will now suggest this item if people search for an iPhone to buy or any product at all to buy. You can see it, right? So you can always edit this information. You can come here on this editing here and tap on it and make your editing. And also, if you want to delete this item or product, you can come here on this delete listing here, for instance, and tap on it and delete it. You can come here on this more here and tap on it and check many things that you want to check. You can turn off comments from potential people that are asking for more about the information. You can see it, right? So guys, that is it. That's how you can actually list an item or product that you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's very simple, guys. So guys, if this was powerful, please make sure you click like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.